How would you like to start building passive income while promoting whatever business you want, leveraging a simple platform which only costs $2 to get started? Hey guys, Dylan DeFazio here, and in this video, I'm going to be going over a brand new platform, well, brand new for me anyways. It is called Crypto Pros. Now, if you've never heard of this platform, please make sure you stay to the end of this video, as it is an amazing hub which is not only going to give you traffic which you can use to promote any business that you want, but it's also going to passively build multiple income streams. Now, at the end of this video, I'm going to show you how you can actually have my mentor, Frank Calabro Jr., promote this business for you and build your downline. Okay, now I got started only a few days ago, and if we go over to the Crypto Pros back office, I go under Finances, and then I go under my Cash Wallet. You guys can see that I've actually already earned $6 from this platform, and I literally have not done anything. If we go under my team and we go under direct referral lists, as you guys see, there is 0 members in my downline, yet I'm still making money. Now, if you guys want to join Crypto Pros and you guys want to leverage our automated sales machine, which like I said, I'll be going over here at the end of this video, there will be a link in the description below which you guys can join, create your free account, and then get set up for only $2. Now, I'm not going to be going over how to set up or how to do anything like that, because that's what this system is for. In the video, once you actually opt in and you watch this video right here, Frank's going to go over everything that you guys need to know. He's going to walk you through how to set up. He's going to walk you through the pros and the cons of the system. He's going to show you the automated sales machine which you're going to receive for being a part of our team. Now, this is the easiest way that I've seen to start making some money, because you literally don't have to do anything. Once you actually join the Crypto Pros platform, what you can do is you can go under Finance, and then what you want to do is you want to purchase your Bronze ad pack. Now, what's going to happen when you purchase your Bronze ad pack, as you guys see here, for $2, you're going to get a 14-day text ad and a 14-day banner ad. Okay, so your banner ad is going to rotate on the Crypto Pros back office, and your text ad is going to rotate on the Crypto Pros back office as well. Now, in Frank's training, he's going to show you how to actually set these up and how to benefit from them, but it is an amazing source of just getting some low-cost traffic which you can use to promote, products on Warrior Plus, maybe your own affiliate products, or if you want, you can promote the Crypto Pros sales funnel which Frank Calabro Jr. set up. Now, depending on what you guys decide to get in on, I recommend starting with, if you're low on a budget and you just want to check it out, you can start with a $2 pack. But what I actually did was I went ahead because I wanted to get a 3 matrix level, which, now don't worry if you don't know what matrix is or anything like that. Like I said, in the video below, Frank is going to do all of the training for you. Okay, you don't have to know everything about the system to start getting signups. All you have to do is let Frank do the selling for you, set up your system, and he'll promote your entire business for you. Okay, so I actually started off at the $30 package that gave me 15 ad packs, which I'm going ahead and setting them up for different sales funnels. Okay, if we go over to my money pages, as you guys see here, I have systems for Press One Cash, for Easy One Up, for $25 up, right? So all of these different programs, which I use platforms like this to promote for me on complete autopilot. Okay, I have multiple of these platforms. If you guys check out YouTube, we have all of our crypto traffic sources. Now, these are all very similar. They go out there, they get you traffic, and they promote your business on complete autopilot, and the traffic is very cheap. Okay, so by doing this, you're able to build your email list, you're able to get sales, and you're able to increase your profit margins because you're not spending, $1 per click or whatever. Okay, now this is something very unique because you actually get a timed ad. You don't get an ad based on how many clicks you get. you get an ad based on time, okay? So your ad can run for 14 days. Say you get 100 clicks in a day, say you get 200, 300, 400, it does not matter. You're still going to have that ad running for 14 days, which is very, very powerful. Okay, so next up is your platinum subscription, okay? So this is going to give you a platinum subscription for, I believe, 30 or 90 days, depending on which one you want. So as you guys see here, I've actually already earned $5 from the platinum subscription, and this is actually from my upline, okay? So if we go over to my cash wallet, and this is why you want to be set up as a platinum member, as you guys see right here, I earned from my upline number 1, okay? So not only are you earning from people below you, and you're also earning from your ad packs, right? So as you guys see here, I'm earning from my personal ad packs, which I'll have another commission coming through today, and then once that happens, I'll actually go ahead and purchase some more ad packs, increasing the amount of daily commissions that I'm receiving, okay? So what you want to do, and Frank will go over this when you get started, is you want to make sure you purchase your bronze pack, and then for those of you that want to maximize your earnings, right, you want to make sure that you purchase your platinum subscription as well, okay? So if you go under platinum matrix details, oh, let's just go, here we go, purchase platinum subscription, okay? So what you can do is you can enter however much you want to purchase your platinum subscription for. It's not pulling up, so your screen will look a little bit different than mine. It's not pulling up for me because obviously I've already purchased my my platinum subscription, and I have $50 put in there for when my subscription expires, okay? So the cool thing about this platform is once you actually get started and you purchase your bronze and you purchase your platinum, you're actually going to be able to repurchase these and upgrade through the commissions that you earn inside of the platform, okay? So it's a one-time fee. You get set up, everything's good to go. You start earning that residual commissions, and then you can upgrade your account with those commissions as they start rolling in. Now, one thing that I really enjoy about this is it has CP Travel. Now, Crypto Pros Travel is a business which, if you guys have been following me on Facebook or any social media like that, you'll know that I've been in my $20 travel business for a few months now, and I've literally done next to no promotion. And if we go over to my $20 travel business, we scroll down here, as you guys see here, I'm earning about $100 to $200 every single month. In total, I've just earned over, I believe, like $400 or something like that. But this is continuing to grow, and it's 100% passive income. And now, by using this new Crypto Pros platform, it's actually going to build my $20 travel business for me. So I don't have to promote my $20 travel business. All I have to do is promote Frank's system, right? And it's going to bring in signups passively for my $20 travel business, which again is going to build multiple income streams, okay? This is going to not only build Power Lead System, which is the platform which we create this system on, create Frank's system on, and allow it to be shared, right? You're also going to build your Crypto Pros platform, your $20 travel business, and then what you can do is if we go over to Crypto Pros Downline Builder, now this is where you can have multiple income streams in here as well, okay? So there is your sponsor and upline recommended programs. So what we can do is I'm actually going to set up the crypto platform. So my ads up, my Bitcoin Tube, Pop Ads, these are all platforms which I use in the crypto space and hashing ad space, which we can set up, and then I can get you guys to put your affiliate links in there, and the system will build those for you, okay? So this is going to allow you to have a massive traffic sequence going to all of these different platforms, okay? So my ads on, my ads up promote Free Bitco, Hashing Ad Space, My Bitcoin Tube, all of these different programs all offer traffic, right? So you promote them with the other platforms, creating a circular effect of pretty much endless traffic and referrals happening throughout the day. Okay, I get emails all the time of people joining different programs, different platforms by simply setting up these ads one time and then letting them run. And when they run out of ad views, you actually just, repurchase some more ad views and you have more traffic going. So depending on which platforms you guys are in, you can set up your affiliate links and then you are ready to go. And when somebody goes to, say click on details, they're going to go through here. And when they click on join program, you're actually going to be joining under your affiliate link. So you're going to get commissions for all of those programs. Okay, so that is a brief overview of the Crypto Pros platform. Again, super simple, tons of value inside of this platform by simply allowing you to build multiple different income streams by promoting one system and one platform. Now, the system that I've been talking about is Frank's low ticket sales funnel. Now, Frank's been setting up these sales funnels for years and years, for more years than I can remember. I believe for like 4 or 5 years now. So we have, Frank Calabro Jr.'s Press One Cash system, which has earned me, thousands and thousands of dollars. We have the Forever Wealth system, okay? Again, this has earned me tons of passive income because this Forever Wealth system promotes Power Lead system, okay? So Frank's been doing these systems for a very long time, and every time he comes out with one, I jump on it, I download it into my Power Lead system, and I add it to my traffic rotators, okay? So like I said, with these Crypto Pro platforms and all these different traffic platforms, we set these systems up, we send traffic to them, build an email list, market to that email list daily, and start making commissions, okay? The process is very simple when you leverage done-for-you systems, okay? So what's going to happen is below this video, what you'll get sent over to, let me just see here. So below this video, when you click on the link, you'll get sent over to this sales page, okay? This landing page right here. When you click on Get Instant Access, you'll enter in your name and your email, and then you'll get redirected over to the intro video. So this intro video is going to walk you through the Crypto Pros platform. It's going to show you a little bit more in depth, and it's going to show you everything that you need to know to start making money with this platform. Once you click on Yes, Let Me In, you're going to be redirected over to Frank's system. Now, this is a 3-step system, and it's very, very simple, okay? I just want to break it down with you guys, and then if you guys want to get started, you can click the link in the description and go through the entire system for yourself, okay? It doesn't cost you any money to go through this system and watch the videos, and if you guys see value, then you can just follow the 3 steps. You can have your very own sales funnel set up, and you can have your very own traffic going to that sales funnel within 24 hours, okay? So step number 1, again, is our Crypto Pros Fast Start training, okay? So this is where Frank's going to go over. He's going to walk you through the ins and the outs of Crypto Pros. He's going to show you how to get set up. He's going to show you how to purchase all your ad packs. Everything is in this video, okay? So there's no need to, wonder, oh, I missed this step. All you need to do is watch the video, right? Pay attention, follow along with Frank as he goes step by step. And if you guys get lost, there's illustrations below so you can scroll through the illustrations and set everything up, make sure you didn't miss anything. All right, so that's step number 1, setting up your Crypto Pros platform. Step number 2 is setting up the Power Lead system. Now, if you guys don't know what the Power Lead system is, it is a simple landing page builder, okay? So it is a landing page builder. It is an email autoresponder all integrated into one. And by leveraging codes, leveraging these simple share codes, what you're able to do is you're able to copy entire sales funnels, okay? So you're going to get all of the pages, you're going to get all of the landing pages. I believe there's 7 different landing pages which you can choose from. You get all of the videos. Everything is done for you. All you have to do is follow these videos. You'll get this exact same system, the one that I'm walking you through right now. everything all set up with your affiliate links, okay? So you'll get your entire system. Frank's going to walk you through, how he's making upwards of $10,000 a week with this system, and it is some insane commissions, okay? Step number 2, he's going to walk you through how to actually copy this low ticket crypto funnel, right? You're going to plug in this code into your back office, and you're going to be set up with your very own sales funnel, which is Frank is going to do all the selling and telling for you. All right, so that's step number 2. Again, if this is just too quick for you guys, click the link in the description. Go through, watch the videos for yourself, understand the power of this system, because once you take the time to actually walk through and check everything out, you're going to be blown away with how much value is inside of this entire sales funnel. So step number 3 is your traffic, okay? So this is where Frank's going to show you how to get solo ad traffic. Now, solo ad traffic is going to be your main source. So what you're going to do is you want to purchase, 100 clicks or 200 clicks, every week or whatever, and have consistent traffic running to the sales funnel. So you're having new people joining and you're having new commissions coming through, and then you use those commissions to buy more traffic. And eventually you'll get to the point where you have so much residual coming in that obviously you're making too much to reinvest into traffic, and then you're taking it out as all profit, okay? So there is a setup. You do want to take this seriously, and you don't just want to, buy 100 clicks and be like, oh, okay, that's all I need and I'm going to be making a boatload of money. No, you need to, purchase clicks once a week. As you guys see here, purchase 100 clicks per week minimum, right? So this is going to give you tons of traffic, tons of eyeballs on your offer, okay? And again, every income stream in this system you're going to be able to earn from. So you're going to be able to earn from Crypto Pros, you're going to be able to earn from Power Lead System, you're going to be able to earn from Udemy, which is the solo ad vendor, okay? You're going to be able to earn from my $20 travel business, and everything included into the program list if you guys go through and set everything up, okay? So as you guys see here, I haven't actually set up all of mine yet. The only one I have is Hashing Ad Space, because that is the only one I'm personally in. Am I going to go through and set up every single one of these income streams? Probably not, because I don't want to be, I don't want to be in too many platforms. I don't want to spread myself too thin. But what I am going to do is I am going to put my sponsor recommended programs in this little box here, so that you guys can follow along and see exactly what I'm in. And if there is a sales funnel or a copy paste funnel, it will be in the details, right? I'll leave you guys a link in the details where you can actually set up that system and copy it. So if you guys got some value from this video, if you made it this far, please do me a huge favor, hit that thumbs up button, and make sure to subscribe down below, as I'm going to be coming out with new videos on, new systems that are launching, new crypto programs that are launching, new make money online programs, anything like that. I'll be coming out with videos on a regular basis of things that I see value and things that I believe will help you guys succeed and make some residual income and increase your income online. So that's it for this video. Dylan DeFazio here with the Six Figure Marketers Club, and I'll see you guys in future trainings. Have a great day.